my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. In your application, it could appear that you get CSV data as input from a data query data source. As all what we process in Lowcoder itself are JSON data, you need an ability to parse this JSON on the fly. And build on the included library Papa, we can actually offer exactly this. It is very easy. I've just for demonstrative purposes here CSV data as a temporary state. And I would just like to have this as JSON data array in my table. And the query for that would look like this. And you see directly he can make use of that. So how does it work? We have here the included library Papa, which has a function parse, and then you can have your CSV data directly in this function and this configuration that you have to say what is your data structured, which one configuration you have, and after that you can directly access inside of this JSON what comes back the data field as in this case as an array from the CSV data. You find on PapaParse.com all documentation that you would need how to make use of that. In general, it's really straightforward. You just give in the CSV data and the configuration. You can see there's a pretty full configuration what you can eventually make use of this CSV data, different variations and formats that come in. So that's a very handy and nice way to deal. And you see it's directly included, no other JavaScript needed here. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.